This is how you make homemade apple pie. You'll need 6 to 7 Granny Smith apples, sugar, flour, unsalted butter, cinnamon, and water. Then you'll need to peel the apples. I guess this peeler isn't working, so I'll grab this one. The next step is to cut the apples into thin pieces. I can't cut these. If you need help, don't be afraid to ask a parent to help you. When you're done cutting the apples, put them into a big enough bowl. Now we're going to prepare the filling at the stove. The first step to making filling is to put the saucepan on medium heat. Start with 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Step is to add the flour. Speaking of filling, why did the apple pie go to the dentist?
Why?
Because it needed its filling. While the filling sets, we're going to make the crust. Gonna roll it out till it becomes thin enough. Once that's thin enough, then you're gonna put it into the bowl that you have. And push the sides down till your fingers start hurting. Now it's time to add the filling and the apples. Once all your apples are in, then you add the filling that has been setting on top. If the filling's still not cool after you did the crust, you can start to do the lattice. How to make a lattice is to cut your dough into strips. Not too thick and not too thin. About the size of this. Try to make as many as the dough can hold. Now you put the filling on top of the apples. Let's see if I can do this. Now you can spread the filling around the apples if you want. Then add the cinnamon for a little taste. And then you can add the lettuce, the strips. And you just place them on top of the apples. Fold one up and then skip the other. Fold the other up and skip another and fold it up. Then add the rest of the strips. And time for the oven. Now time to prepare the egg wash. Come here, little. Now spread the egg wash generously over the pie. Now it's time to put it in the oven. After an hour of letting the pie cool down, it's time to eat. Now it's time for the doggy taste test. Thank you for watching the apple pie. Cheers.